So I may have just purchased the Yaesu 818 the day that it was announced that it was discontinued. It is now January 6th. Winter is over in Texas. That means we can get back to normalcy. And I'm taking the 818 out on its maiden voyage. I've got a few different antennas with us. So let's get rocking. All right, so we've got the brand new Yaesu 818. The guys that I watched that got me into ham radio were using, well, the 817 really, but same darn thing. So when I found this was going discontinued, I was like, you know what? I just have to get one. So I picked it up from Gigaparts. They said it was refurbished from Yaesu. I kind of doubt that because all of the memories and everything from the guy that had this before was some guy up in Washington. They're all still in here, so Gigaparts, you might want to think about at least doing a factory reset. But it's in great working condition. There's nothing wrong with it, so that's fine. Gonna try out the ATU-10 tuner. I just put a new firmware on this, and I want to see how it works. I didn't really give this the greatest review when I reviewed it back in probably, I don't know, last summer or something. Got a new antenna I'm gonna try out. This is something that I commissioned K6ARK to make. This is a 20-watt version of his antenna that he wrapped in a 9-to-1 configuration, and he put a whole bunch of wire on here. Enough wire to do 80 meters, but there's a link at, I don't know, probably 41 feet or so, and there's a 17-foot counterpoise on this. So you can buy these as a kit from Amazon. I will leave an affiliate link in the description. Go support Adam K6ARK because he is awesome. Got some RG316 with a little choke on there. We're gonna be powering the operation. The internal battery, I just charged it, but I've got a little 3 amp hour Bio-NO battery, and we're gonna hook it up to the Buddy Pole Power Mini 2. And I also have a 48-watt Bio-NO solar panel to charge the whole thing, just because why not? And I also have Little Geek here. The idea was to keep my camera powered, but I realized I forgot the adapter, so hopefully I don't run out of battery. So let's see what we can do. And here's the finished setup, 818. This is the cool thing about this antenna, because it's a 9-to-1, you just plug it right into the tuner there. It's great. And then the Buddy Pole, and then the solar panels over there. And the antenna wire just goes off into that tree there. It's wonderful. Now, of course, the million-dollar question is, will it work? Because I don't have a lot of faith in this tuner, and I haven't used it with the 818. I've used it with the 705, just testing, and we're hearing people. See, the new firmware, you can't push the tune button, so I need to put it into CW. I don't think the keyer is actually on. It's not putting out any power. This is Mike not knowing what he's doing. How do you change what kind of keyer you're using? Like, I want to put it on straight key. I know it's a paddle, but maybe I just whistle. I can do the mic key. Where's like break-in? That's what I'm missing. Okay, well, whistling works. I got a 1.09 to 1. So that's good. Putting out 5 watts. Now, why is my power not blinking? Shouldn't it be blinking if it's full power? Well, whatever. I'll have to figure out how to get, it's not putting out any power on CW. So that's kind of weird. It does everything but put out power on CW. I really want to try that out, but I guess I kind of don't care at this point. Let's just get on the radio. Getting all of 0.76 amps into the battery. Helps when there are not leaves covering up your solar panel. It's just a very bare bones radio. I suspect it's going to be like the G90 in that it's just wide open. All right, let's get hammers out. Enough of this pussyfooting around. So I'm not opposed to the power connector that's on the back of this. Like everything, I have a power pole at the end of the plug. So like, I kind of don't want that power pole thing on the back of here. I'm like, it kind of just seems like a weird angle. I'm totally okay with this coaxial plug there. I don't know what the whole deal is. That WinCamp battery looks pretty cool though. The audio seems to be loud enough. Oh, I guess I should spot myself. Add spot 14308. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta calling CQ, CQ from Huntsville State Park, Kilo 3019. CQ, CQ for Parks on the air from Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, CQ, CQ. This is K8MRD at Huntsville State Park. Let's see how long this takes. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta calling CQ, CQ, CQ from K8MRD. Calling CQ for Parks on the air from Huntsville State Park, Kilo 3019 calling CQ POTA from Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air. That was 2. CQ POTA, CQ CQ for Parks on the air from Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta. CQ POTA, CQ for Parks on the air from Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta.
Alpha Echo 4 X-Ray Oscar.
Alpha Echo 4 X-Ray Oscar got you 5x9 into Huntsville State Park.
Hey Mike, good to hear you today. 5-9 in Central Georgia, and
wow.
I'm looking forward to the next video, 84XO.
We're making one right now. You're the very first contact on my brand new Yaesu FT-818.
Oh man, all right, that's great. Thanks, 84XO. Have fun.
Thank you, man. You sound great too. Good audio. Thanks for hunting. 73.
Roger. ICOM 7300 all day long. 84XO.
Yeah, I got one of those too and love it. 73 QRZ Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5 November Bravo November.
Wow.
No bad news.
Hey, no bad news. What's going on, brother? Got you 5'9".
Yeah, it's a 48 degrees here in Central New Mexico. You too are 5'9".
Right on. Yeah, it's in the low 70s. I had to put on pants this morning, but I'm back into shorts, so we're all good.
Listen, hey, thank you for the activation. Hope you get many more. Have a great weekend.
Absolutely. First activation with the Yaesu FT-818. It's doing great.
I love it.
73 QRZ Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey X-Ray Foxtrot.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey X-Ray Foxtrot. You are 5x9 into Huntsville, Texas.
Roger. I have you 5555 in the Orange Beach, Alabama, QSL.
Copy the 55 Orange Beach, Alabama. Thanks for the contact, 73.
Roger, have a good activation, 73.
Thank you, 73 QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 1 Delta Whiskey Papa.
Kilo Charlie 1 Delta Whiskey Papa got you about 5x8 into Huntsville, Texas.
Roger, you're 5-7 here in Tennessee, Tango November. Thank you for activating.
Thank you for Tennessee, 73 QRZ Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
W3 Tango Romeo Oscar.
Whiskey 3 Tango Romeo Oscar. Let's give you a 4x3, 43 into Kilo 3019.
QSL, you're 5x6 here in Florida.
Thanks for the 56 in Florida, 73. That was 5 right off the bat. QRZ Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air. There he is.
Romeo Alpha.
Couple in there. Let's go with Kilo 7 Sierra Echo November. How are you, Neil?
I'm well, Mike. You're 5'9", Arizona. Thank you.
That's crazy. I'm running 5 watts with the Yaesu 818. You're 5'9 plus.
You're actually just a hair under 9.
Wow.
8.5, give or take.
Wow, that's crazy. I'm loving. You're the 6th contact I've made with this radio. I'm loving it so far.
Good job. Well, have a great time, Mike. Thank you much for the contact.
Thanks, Neil. 73. Happy New Year. QRZ.
Kilo India 4 Delta Romeo Alpha.
Kilo India 4 Delta Romeo Alpha got you 5x8 in the Huntsville State Park. Oh, we did.
I'm not sure if that was to me or not. I bet you 3-1 Tennessee. I've got a high orange floor, so it's kind of expected. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Kilo India 4 Delta Romeo Alpha 5x8. You're sounding good.
Roger, I think I copied the signal report. Thank you very much for being out in the park today. Once again, the signal report 3-1 from Tennessee.
I'll take it. Thanks for 3-1 Tennessee. 73 QRZ Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air. No! It died!
Any better now? W3TRO.
Yeah, you came up a bit there. I wasn't looking at the meter, but yeah, much better.
Okay, well, let's QSL over there. You're 5x7 now in Florida.
Roger, got it. Yeah, you're still not moving the meter, but your audio's good, so it's working.
Well, so is yours. Is that the FT-891?
No, it's the 818.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, you said something about 2 watts, and I said, I don't think the 891 will go down that low.
No, that one won't. That one's sitting in the car. I just bought the 818 last week and taking it out. This is its maiden voyage.
Okay, well, it sounds good. Whatever you're using down there, it sounds good. It's not as loud as you usually are, but,
Yeah.
it is.
Well, the 5 measly watts might have something to do with that.
I think it has a lot to do with that. Take care. Have a great day.
Thanks so much. 73 QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ, CQ, CQ for Parks on the air. This is Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, CQ Parks on the air.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha November.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha November. How are you? You're probably 5x6 here in Huntsville State Park.
Alpha November. Kind of light right now, Mike. About a 5-5, Georgia.
Roger, 5-5, Georgia. You just came up to 5-9 here in Texas.
I appreciate it, man. Have a good one, brother. 73.
Thank you. 73 QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey X-Ray Foxtrot.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey X-Ray Foxtrot. Good 5x9 signal in Huntsville.
Roger, Roger. I just realized you might already have me in your log, but I have you 5-5 into Alabama.
Let me check. Whiskey X-Ray Foxtrot. I might. Yep, we sure do. You were one of the first there, so no big deal. Thanks for coming back again.
All right, have a good activation.
73
73.
QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
Kilo Bravo 0, Sierra Victor Yankee Mobile.
Kilo Bravo 0, Sierra Victor Yankee Mobile, 5x9 Texas.
QSL, you also 5-9 Mobile, Missouri.
Thanks for the 5-9 into Missouri, 73.
73.
QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air. I need one more. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ, CQ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, CQ POTA.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
Jeez. November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo with a booming 5-9 signal.
5-9 South Carolina, thank you.
Thanks you, 73. That was it, that was 10. And we were BSing a little bit, so 1843 was the last one, 1837 was the first one. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, Parks on the air.
November Echo 4, Tango November.
Hey Walt, what's going on? How are you, brother?
Doing pretty well, Mike. Not too bad here. About 51 degrees. Can't complain
that's
for
too
this
bad.
time of the year. But you're doing pretty good there for 5 watts.
Yeah, I'm loving this, man. I'm using my buddy Adam K6ARK's. He's got a 9-to-1 he built going into a tuner, and this 818, it's actually, I'm surprised at how good it sounds with no filters or anything. Of course, there's no noise out here either, but yeah, it's sounding great. I'm getting out. Park's activated in 6 minutes. You're the 11th contact, so I got nothing to complain about.
Okay, very good. Yeah, I understand they discontinued that rig, but glad you got one there. All right, have a good day, Mike. Good to talk to you again. 7-3.
Right out, Walt. 73 QRZ, K8MRD, Parks on the air. Kilo Echo 9 Bravo Victor Mobile, 5x9 in Huntsville State Park. Roger, 56 into Kansas. Thanks for hunting, 73. And now we got the QRM. Well, I'm getting QRM from above and below, so I think I'm going to find a clear frequency. K8MRD. Wow. Wow. Frickin' thing works. I mean, it's, to be fair, it's mostly the antenna, but 5 watts? Well, I don't even know if I'm doing 6 watts because the stupid, the power thing's supposed to be blinking, I guess, if it's 6 watts, I don't know. But this thing's saying, 4 or 5 watts, so who cares? We're getting great signal reports. Again, it's antenna, but we're receiving. That's what matters. So, wow, I am happy. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air from Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta.
Kilo Charlie 8, Lima, Alpha Kilo Romeo.
Who's the Kilo Charlie 8 station? Who's the Kilo Charlie 8?
Yeah, Kilo Charlie 8, Lima, Uniform Bravo.
There you are, Kilo Charlie 8, Lima, Uniform Bravo. Got you solid 5-9 into Texas.
Hey, QSL, you're about a 5-5 up there in Tennessee. Sounding good on that 818. You're going to get even down there in 7-3.
Hey, thanks so much. Appreciate the contact. 73 QRZ.
Kilo Quebec 4, Alpha Kilo Romeo. Kilo 9 or Kilo Delta Juliet.
Couple in there. Let's go with Kilo Quebec 4, Alpha Kilo Romeo. You're 5-9.
Roger, you're 5-1, Tango November.
Hey, I'll take the 5-1. Appreciate the contact. 73.
Thank you. Alpha 9, Sierra Kilo.
Alpha 9, Sierra Kilo coming in with a strong 5x9 signal into Texas.
18 to Mike, you 5252 into Illinois.
Copy the 5-2 into Illinois. Thanks for the contact.
7-3, Mike. I like your videos. Keep them up.
Hey, thanks so much. I appreciate it. I'm making one right now. You might hear yourself in it.
Kilo Delta 4, Bravo Victor Golf.
Delta 4. Kilo Delta 4, was it Bravo Victor Golf?
You're 5-9 Georgia, and I've got a second operator.
Oh, great.
7-3.
Roger, you're 5-9 here. Go ahead, second operator.
Second operator, Kilo Charlie 4, Tango Victor Zulu. You're 5-9 Georgia and 7-3.
Roger, Kilo Charlie 4, Tango Victor Zulu, 5-9 Texas. Thanks, guys. Have fun. 73. Was it Kilo Oscar 4 November Lima Golf? I think that's what he said. Kilo Oscar 4 November Lima Golf, QSL? Wow. Roger, 5-5 Alabama. You are 4x1, 4x1, 4x1. Nice. Yeah, I didn't catch any of that, but I got you in the log, buddy. 73. No idea. We just got 18 frick contacts in a matter of minutes. That was insane. A little QRM had to move. That's kind of one of the, you know, kind of one of the things with QRP. They might not be able to hear you, but my gosh, I am real. I get it, guys. 817, 818 owners. Yeah, I get it. This radio is freaking cool, man. And it doesn't sound bad. I was really worried, like no filters, no, you know, no noise reduction, no notch filter. Same thing with the G90. I'm like, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right, guys. I gotta pack up and get out of here. There's a helicopter coming up to get us. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at KNMRD. We'll see you again. We'll see you again on another episode of KNMRD Radio Stuff. 73, guys. Oh, man.